Today, I'll walk you through how to add an email link in your WordPress website using Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create an email link so you can enhance communication with your website visitors. First, let's get started by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Simply log into your WordPress site and navigate to the dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you can manage all aspects of your content and design. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to find the Elementor editor. Click on the search bar and type Text Editor. This tool will allow you to add and format text on your page, which is essential for creating your email link. Once you've located the text editor, drag it onto your desired section of the page. This is similar to placing a piece of furniture in a room. You want it to be in the right spot for your visitors to see. With the text editor in place, it's time to enter your email address. Type in the email you want to link and then look for the chain icon in the text editor's toolbar. Clicking this icon will allow you to create a hyperlink, which is crucial for making your email clickable. After clicking the chain icon, a dialog box will appear. Here you can apply the link to your email address. Make sure to click on the Apply button to save your changes. This step is like sealing an envelope before sending a letter. It ensures your message reaches its destination. Next, let's enhance the appearance of your email link. Click on the Style tab in the text editor settings. This is where you can customize how your link looks, making it more appealing to your visitors. To make your email link stand out, consider changing the text color. This can attract attention and encourage users to click. Choose a color that complements your website's design. Finally, don't forget to change the link color as well. This will help differentiate the email link from regular text, making it clear that it's clickable. Adjusting these colors is like choosing the right paint for a room. It can completely transform the look and feel. And there you have it. You've successfully added an email link to your WordPress website using Elementor. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps remain the same regardless of updates or changes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.